So we're already done with work and we're going to Ultra to run. Yeah, we're going to fact check kung totoo bang bukas na yung track oval after Marcos's sauna. Ito pong hold up cause of delay.
This is Farmally. This involves our hard-earned taxes. This is the biggest delegation of the Rappler Run Club so far. This has been going on for a while now, pero laging 3, 4. Ha? Ay, wala kaming dala. Picture. Okay. Pwedeng picture.
So, Bons, explain mo naman anong ginawa natin.
Kailangan ng ID, pero okay lang kahit photo sa phone. Tapos sabi ng guard, 3 to 10 PM lang siya free.
So, apparently, there's a second line of registration.
Go!
Hello! So, anong masasabi mo so far sa ating run?
Okay, sobrang sarap na ako dito. Sarap siya.
Si Ia yung pinaka-sporty sa aming lahat. Siya isang triathlete. Kaya sobrang hindi ba siya triathlete? Basta she is a multi-athlete. So, this is her first time na sumama sa community run ng Rappler. So, her presence is significant. Leon, let's go!
My base is 6.
May nakasa ka diba? Hello! Sa TV na po kami!
Hello! Rappler Run Club!
How much did you run today?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers.
3.2.
3.1 km!
I ran 4.6 km.
This is me after the run and I ran 5.01 kilometers.
7K! 7K! What's your reflection?
When will my reflection show?
Maganda siya kasi surprisingly ang daming tao today. So parang feel ko, has this always been the case or dahil in-announce ni Marco sa sauna niya? But I like it kasi napaka maaliwalas, parang yung lighting, you feel really safe running here. Tapos parang may community na talaga siya. If this is really the way it is every day, na ganito kaganda yung atmosphere, then sobrang okay siya. Good experience.
Our government should invest in open spaces like this one because it does not only promote healthy lifestyle but also provides more space for the Filipino people.
And I love na binuksan na nga yung Ultra kasi maraming options for runners, kung saan sila tatakbo. Pero I hope we can also make our streets runnable, although feeling ko wala pa tayo dun sa phase na yun. Yung mga streets nga natin hindi pa siya walkable. Pero I hope na yun yung priority ng gobyerno din natin moving forward.
Download the Rappler Communities app and join the Livable Cities chat room.